Hey, Daniel, you look tired.
I am tired. I was practicing English all night.
All night? That sounds serious.
Yes, I really want to improve my speaking.
Same here. I feel shy when I speak English.
Me too. My mind goes blank sometimes.
So, what were you practicing last night?
Shadowing practice.
Shadowing? What is that exactly?
It means listening to English audio and repeating it immediately.
Oh, like copying the speaker?
Yes, exactly. Like a shadow follows a person.
That sounds interesting. Is it helpful?
Very helpful. It improves pronunciation and fluency.
I always struggle with pronunciation.
Me too, but shadowing really helps with that.
How do you do it?
First, I choose a short audio clip.
From where?
YouTube or English learning apps.
And then?
I listen carefully one time.
Only listening?
Yes, just focus on the sound and rhythm.
Okay.
Then I play it again and repeat at the same time.
At the same time? Isn't it difficult?
At first, yes, I felt confused.
I think I will get nervous.
Don't worry, it's normal.
Do you pause the audio?
Sometimes, in the beginning, I paused a lot.
I speak very slowly.
That's okay, speed comes later.
How long do you practice daily?
About 20 to 30 minutes.
Every day?
Yes, consistency is important.
I usually study grammar only.
Grammar is good, but speaking needs practice.
True. I understand English, but I can't speak confidently.
Shadowing helps connect listening and speaking.
Did you notice any improvement?
Yes, after 2 weeks, I felt more confident.
Really? That fast?
Yes, my pronunciation became clearer.
That gives me hope.
You should try today.
I will. But I feel embarrassed speaking alone.
I felt silly at first, too.
What did you do?
I practiced in my room with headphones.
Good idea.
Sometimes I record my voice.
Oh no, listening to my voice scares me.
I know, I hated it in the beginning
So why record it?
because it helps find mistakes.
That makes sense.
You can compare your voice with the original audio.
That sounds useful.
It also improves intonation.
Intonation is very hard for me.
It was hard for me, too.
Sometimes I sound very flat.
Shadowing teaches natural rhythm.
I want to speak like native speakers.
Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on being clear.
You're right.
Also, start with short sentences.
Not long paragraphs?
No, short and simple first.
That feels less scary.
Exactly, step by step.
Do you understand every word in the audio?
Not always.
Then how do you repeat?
I repeat the sound first. Later, I check the meaning.
Oh, so meaning comes later.
Yes, first focus on sound and flow.
That's different from my usual study method.
It trains your mouth and ears together.
I like that idea.
We can practice together if you want.
Really? That would be great.
We can choose one short video daily.
And shadow it together?
Yes, it'll be fun.
I feel more motivated now.
See, learning doesn't have to be boring.
Sometimes I lose motivation quickly.
That happens to everyone.
How do you stay motivated?
I remember my goal.
What is your goal?
I want to speak confidently in interviews.
That's a strong reason.
What about you?
I want to travel and talk freely with people.
That's beautiful.
I don't want fear to stop me.
Then shadowing is your new friend.
I'm excited to try tonight.
Start with 10 minutes.
Only 10?
Yes, make it easy and enjoyable.
Okay, no pressure.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection.
I like that sentence.
You can shadow that too.
Progress, not perfection.
Say it again with confidence.
Progress, not perfection.
That sounded strong.
Really?
Yes, I can hear improvement already.
Thank you for encouraging me.
We're learning together.
Let's promise to practice daily,
Promise.
even when we feel lazy.
Especially when we feel lazy.
Deal.
Our English will improve step by step.
And one day we will speak confidently without fear.